This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to add drop shadow to an image in Canva. So I'm right here on a Canva presentation that I have right here. It's kind of a demo, dummy presentation I have open right here. So here's an image. You can do this with any image that you have in Canva. You will first click on the image. You will select the image. Then at the top here in the toolbar, you will click on Edit. And now we are looking for shadows. So about halfway down, a little bit further than halfway down, we have effects and we have shadows. It's currently a football icon right there. You are now looking for drop. We have the drop shadow right there. So when we click it, you can see that it changes. There's none. It is that way. And we click on drop shadow and it has taken effect there. As you can see, so there's a whole bunch of other options you can do. We also can change the blur amount here, so you can see how that changes. You can fiddle with that if you want to. You can even change the angle, the distance. You can change the color itself, and of course the intensity as well. So that's quite a cool effect. So this was a really short, straightforward video. Hopefully it's helped you out on how to add drop shadow to an image in Canva. Actually, that looks really good. It looks pretty cool, much better than it did before. If you found this video useful, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like